Most people think muscle is built by protein. Drink a shake, eat more chicken, and muscles grow. But that's not really how the body works. Protein doesn't build muscle by itself. It only provides the material. The real trigger for muscle growth is effort. Without exercise, protein is mostly just another calorie. With exercise, it becomes construction material. When you lift weights, your muscles don't simply get bigger. First, they experience stress. Not injury, but tiny disturbances inside the muscle fibers. Your body senses that the muscle struggled and decides it needs to be stronger next time. So it starts a repair process. Special helper cells move into the muscle and reinforce the damaged area, making the fibers slightly thicker and stronger than before. But here's the important part. The body can't rebuild anything unless it has raw materials. That's where protein comes in. After you eat protein, your body breaks it into tiny building blocks and sends them through the blood to your muscles. They don't do much on their own, they just wait. Your workout is what gives them a job. Exercise tells the muscle, we need to repair and come back stronger. Then the body uses those building blocks to patch up the worked muscle and reinforce it. But muscle is never just growing. It's always rebuilding and losing small amounts at the same time. Think of it like a wall that is constantly being repaired while parts of it slowly wear down. If repair happens faster than wear, the wall gets thicker, that's muscle growth. If wear happens faster, the muscle shrinks. Training increases the repair work, and enough protein gives the body the materials to keep up. This also explains why eating high protein without exercising doesn't create muscle. If the body doesn't think stronger muscles are needed, it won't build them. The extra protein is simply used for energy or stored. So how much protein do you actually need? The commonly quoted amount, about 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight, is only the minimum to avoid losing muscle. People who train regularly benefit from more, roughly around 1.2 to 1.8 grams per kilogram per day. Timing matters less than people think. Your body doesn't build muscle instantly after one meal. Instead, it responds over hours and days. Spreading protein across meals works better than eating it all at once, because each meal gives the body another chance to repair and strengthen muscle. After a workout, muscles are especially ready to use protein, but the window is not just a few minutes, it lasts for hours. What matters most is consistent training and enough protein across the whole day. In simple terms, muscle growth requires three things: a reason to grow, the materials to rebuild, and time to adapt. Exercise provides the reason. Protein provides the material. Repetition over days and weeks produces the change. So protein isn't a muscle builder, it's a response tool. Your workout asks the question. Your food provides the answer. Muscle is not built by what you eat alone, but by what your body is repeatedly asked to do.